20 Ways to Earn Passive Income When You Don't Have Money. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Here are 20 ways to earn passive income when you don't have money. When you don't have money to invest upfront, earning passive income may seem challenging. However, here are 20 ideas for generating passive income even without a significant financial investment. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission for every sale or referral. 2. Create an online course. Share your expertise by creating and selling an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 3. Write an ebook. Self-publish an ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn royalties from sales. 4. Develop a mobile app. If you have programming skills, create a useful mobile app and earn income from advertisements or in-app purchases. 5. Create a YouTube channel. Produce videos on a topic you're passionate about and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 6. Start a blog. Write informative articles, build an audience, and earn income through advertising, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. 7. Rent out your space. If you have extra space, consider renting it out through platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals through online platforms and earn interest on your investment. 9. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Research and invest in stable companies that offer regular dividends to their shareholders. 10. Rent out your belongings. If you have items you rarely use, consider renting them out through platforms like Fat Llama or Rent Not Buy. 11. Create and sell stock photos. If you enjoy photography, sell your high-quality photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. 12. Develop a niche website. Build a website around a specific topic, generate traffic, and earn income through advertising or sponsored content. 13. Participate in affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs of companies that offer referral bonuses and earn income by referring customers. 14. License your music. If you're a musician or composer, license your music for use in films, commercials, or online videos. 15. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the need for significant capital or property ownership. 16. Create and sell print-on-demand products. Design and sell customized merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through platforms like Printful or Redbubble. 17. Create a membership site. Offer exclusive content, resources, or community access through a membership site and charge a recurring fee. 18. Invest in index funds. Invest in low-cost index funds that track the performance of a specific stock market index. 19. Rent out ad space on your website or blog. If you have a website with significant traffic, you can rent ad space to advertisers. 20. Create a podcast. Start a podcast, build an audience, and monetize it through sponsorships, advertisements, or listener donations. Remember that while passive income streams can generate revenue over time, they often require effort, consistency, and quality content or products to be successful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.